everybody! Today we got a Lego Ninjago Target exclusive. So you see that I have taken out the package. Well, this low bit of packaging, but whatever. Let's get started. So, I know this is only, how many pieces? 17. So, we're gonna do this in normal motion, so it won't take very long. But if you were to use time lapse, it would be able just to be done in like 2 seconds. But it comes with some minifigures. I only know Kai. I don't know the other guy. What the other guy's name is. But he's like a guy who helps out Moro. So that's all I know. I haven't watched that season of Ninjago, but I have watched Ninjago. So leave how many episodes of how many seasons of Ninjago and episodes of Ninjago you have watched. Well, I'll be 1 second, guys. I just need to get my trusty old scissors out. Okay, guys, I'm back and I got my trusty scissors. I'm just gonna cut this bag. Well, I might just have to use a better one. Sorry, I just need to step still real quick. Hey, I got the step stool. Here's what it looks like. Oh, the guy walking around, it's my cousin Austin, so, and he's weird. Yep, weirder than he looks. Well, he just got his hair cut, so don't mess with him, though. Oh my god, he just slapped me in the head, guys. If you're on my side, play Team Cloak or Team Austin. Team Austin is my cousin, and I'm Team Cloak, so, and it does come with an instruction booklet that is very small. This is how big it is. This is how big. It's crazy. It's really not that big. But it's like Lego Mentions fun packs. Okay, here's what Kai's weapon looks like. And this is what it looks like in his hand. Okay, next we got the Moro guys' weapon. Okay, this is what the Moro guy guard's shield looks like. Oh, and my dog. You might, if you've seen her, leave a thumbs up and put it in the comments below. Hey, you got a cooler weapon. No, I do. Yeah, ding, 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 ding. That didn't at all. White chink. Well, that was a little Ninjago Target exclusive. See you guys next time. Bye.